We have just downloaded from the Faculty Center a list of students. Now, any columns that I do not need, I'll get rid of them. For example, I don't need the photo column, so I'm going to delete that. Just highlight, right mouse click. I might keep the notify and just rename it. Program plan, it may be of importance, but I'm going to go ahead and delete it because I don't need it, so I'm deleting that. So now I'm ready to get rid of this duplicate row here. So I'm going to highlight my results, and I've just hidden the student names for this video. Once I highlight the results, I'm going to go to Sort and Filter. Go to Sort and Filter, and it's set up a filter option for me right here. So when I go to the name, for example, I can select the Select All to deselect all of the names and just select blanks and click OK. And what it's done is it's gotten rid of all those even rows. When I go to print, I don't have those extra rows. I hope you found this helpful.